What's going down, baby? Happy birthday. I love you. I hope your day goes great. I hope you have a lot of fun. And yes, I know the secret, and no, I'm not telling you. Ha! Eat that, nigga. But yeah, I hope your birthday goes great. I can't wait till you come home so I can give you my gift personally. Um, March 17th coming soon, real soon. So for all you groupies out there who keep trying to get on my babe, good luck. Can die trying. Believe that. It's not gonna happen. But anyways, irrelevant ass non motherfucking factors. Um, yeah, happy birthday, babe. Enjoy. Love you.